Hi, dear students. Welcome to the English class. In the previous week, we learned about tenses and the uses. Did you hear the sound? Yes. I hope you understood. What does it mean? Or what was that sound? Today, we are going to study chapter 8, Fire, Friend and Foe. Do you know what is fire? Yes, maybe you have learned in your science classes about fire. When the oxygen in the air combines with carbon and hydrogen in a fuel, a chemical reaction takes place. Energy in the form of heat and light is released in this process. And that is what is called fire. Or in a simple way, we can just define fire as a chemical reaction. So there are three things that are needed to make a fire. The first thing is fuel. And you have learned about various fuels. Wood, coal, cooking gas, petrol, diesel, etc. are examples of fuel. The second thing needed to have fire is oxygen. And we know oxygen is available in plenty in the air. And the third thing that we need is heat. And we usually light a fire using either a lighter or a matchstick. So what are the three things that is required for a fire? Yes, we need fuel, we need oxygen, and we need heat. Only if these three things are combined together, we will have a fire. Okay, have you heard about flash point or kindling temperature of the fuel? Maybe you must have learned in your science classes. So every fuel has a particular temperature at which it begins to burn. And this is what is called the flash point or the kindling temperature of the fuel. So when the fuel is heated, then it will catch fire. Otherwise, there will not be fire. And as the title says, fire is friend and foe. Have you heard? Fire is a good servant but a bad master? Maybe you must have heard. It simply means fire is very useful as long as we are able to keep it in control. And we know we use fire for cooking, warming up rooms, even for generating electricity. And you should also know that thousands of homes, shops, and vast areas of forest are destroyed, and many people lose their life because of fire. So when we are not able to control fire, or when fire is not in control, it causes lots of harm. That is why fire is called a foe or enemy. Just as we need three things to lit up fire, in the same way, there are three ways in which a fire can be put out or extinguished. So, which are the three things that are required for fire? Fuel, oxygen, and heat. So, we can also control fire by taking away either of these. So, we know that fire needs fuel. So, if the supply of fuel is stopped, of course, there will not be fire. The second way is to prevent oxygen from reaching the fire. That is why when there is a small fire, we are able to put it out by just covering it with a damp cloth. So when covering it with a damp cloth, it not only prevents oxygen from reaching it, it also reduces the heat or lessens the flash point so that the fire is put out. And the third thing is to reduce the heat. We understand every fuel has a flash point, and if the flash point is reduced or the temperature is reduced, then we would be able to put out fire. That is why we pour water and then the fire gets extinguished. But be careful, you cannot put out oil fire and electric fire with the help of water. Because in an oil fire, if you pour water, the oil will float above the water and the fire will not be put out. Not only that, when you pour water, the oil will flow faster and that can spread the fire also. In electrical appliances fire, we don't use water because the person who is pouring water may get shock and he may lose his life. Have you heard about firefighters or firemen? Yes, they are people who are specially trained to extinguish or put out fire. And they use some special equipments to fight fire. And long ago, there were no firemen or firefighters were not there. And people formed groups and they worked together to put out fire. So we understand fire is indeed a friend, but a foe if it gets out of control. So be cautious when you are playing with the fire. Please read through the chapter, understand the lesson well, and come prepared for the live session. Wish you all the best. Thank you.